Hello everyone, and welcome you all in the week 0 presentation of the course Applied Electromagnetics for Engineers. I am Vivek Kumar Srivastava, a PMRF research scholar of Electrical Engineering Department, Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar. So basically, this class is totally devoted to the problem solving based on the topic covered in the different weeks of this course. However, in today's class, I will give you a brief introduction of this course. So moving ahead, here is the list of content that we will go through during this class, that is course detail, course syllabus, books and references. So the name of this course is Applied Electromagnetics for Engineers, which you can find in the SWAYAM portal of the NPTEL. This is a 12-week course and the instructor of this course is Professor Pradeep Kumar, who is a faculty of EE Department, IIT Kanpur. The link of this course is also provided here. So for more information, you can directly go to this link, and also you can enroll yourself for this course. Now moving ahead, course syllabus. So the syllabus covered in this course are as follows. In week 1, you will see the introduction of applied electromagnetic theory, lossless transmission line, characteristics, impedance, reflection and transmission coefficient. In contrast, in week 2, you will see the general transmission line, attenuation, propagation constant, standing wave ratio and Smith chart. Whereas in week 3, you will see the impedance matching technique, time domain analysis of the transmission line using lattice diagram. Whereas in week 4, you will see the transient analysis of high-speed digital signal on PCB, review of coordinate system. Moving ahead, in week 5, you will see the review of vector analysis and vector fields and overview of Maxwell's equation and boundary condition. In contrast, in week 6, you will see the Laplace and Poisson's equation, numerical solution using finite difference method and method of moment. Whereas in week 7, you will see the magnetostatic field, and based on that you will see various laws which is applicable in the magnetostatic field, that is Biot-Savart law and Ampere's law, and then you will see the inductance and capacitance calculation. However, in week 8 you will see the uniform plane wave propagation in different media and wave polarization. After that, in week 9 you will see the total internal reflection, Snell's law and its application, general introduction of waveguide and different modes of wave propagation. In contrast, in week 10 you will see the dispersion and attenuation in a dielectric planar waveguide and its application. Whereas in week 11 you will see the wave propagation in crystal and ferrite, wave propagation in periodic structure. However, in week 12 you will see the fundamental antenna parameters, half wave dipole, antenna array, and based on that one application of this antenna, that is RFID. So these are the list of syllabus that is covered in this course, and here are the list of books that you have to follow throughout this course. Thank you.